Hello everyone, this is Yangzhou Donghai Solar Energy. My name is Chen Yoshen. I'm going to show you a hybrid solar air conditioner. How to install and use air conditioner outdoor unit, air conditioner indoor unit, IPS controller, lithium battery, solar air conditioner accessories, air conditioning installation tools. Step 1. Series connection the lithium batteries. Connect for 12.8 volts 100 are lithium batteries in series. PV cable battery cable. Step 2. Connect the battery pack and solar panel to the controller. Assemble the MC for connector. Connection the PV input to IPS controller. Connect the battery power to the controller. Connect the DC cable to the controller. Step 3. Connect the indoor and outdoor unit of the air conditioner. Open the power supply protective cover of the air conditioner outdoor unit. AC power cable. Indoor unit power supply AC and DC connecting cable. Connect the AC, DC, and mains power of the indoor unit to the outdoor unit. Cover with protective cover. Connect to the DC input interface of the controller. Smooth copper pipe. Open the protective cap of the copper pipe in the air conditioner. Connect copper pipes. Open the protective cover of the copper pipe of the air conditioner outdoor unit. Connect copper pipes. Cover the air conditioner outdoor unit power supply protective cover. Turn on the controller switch. Turn on the solar air conditioner. Air conditioner operates normally. Our hybrid solar air conditioners installation completed. Solar air conditioners are now in normal use.